Hey guys, what's up? Stefano Di Bartolo here. If you're watching this video, that means you just signed up to attend the Skilled Trades College of Canada here at our Woodbridge location. So outside here, we're in the beautiful heart of Woodbridge, right on Vaughan Valley Boulevard. And I'm here to give you a tour of the school and show you what you can expect to see, hear, and feel on your first day of class. So we ask that all students enter from the side entrance of the school, next to our ample side parking. There's also parking in the back. Let's take a look inside. Now, I don't know if you know this, but I'm also a Jedi in my spare time. Wow, electrical gives you the power of the mind and the body. So on your first day, when you enter the glory that is the Skilled Trades College of Canada, please check with the teachers that will be at the door to find out what classroom will be your homeroom. So on your first day, please make sure you bring a writing utensil, something to write with, your calculator, safety boots, always a good idea to have. That's the only thing we don't provide as far as safety equipment. We will provide you with a hard hat and a vest, but please bring your own safety boots. Please ensure they have the green sticker with the CSA logo, and if you're an electrician, it's a good idea to have that Omega symbol on there as well, which looks like an orange horseshoe. And let me tell you guys, if you're on time, willing to learn, and give it your all, in 12 short weeks, you'll also be able to build a house like these fine students did. Wow, what a house. So thank you for choosing the Skilled Trades College of Canada. I know that I and the other teachers can't wait to get you in the classroom, get you learning, and getting those skills to pay the bills. Thank you for choosing the Skilled Trades College of Canada, where the future is in your hands.